Hello students, in this video we are going to study part 3rd of chapter 2nd of class 9th English book, Wind. This is the title of this poem and it is written by Subramanya Bharti. In this poem, poet has described the power of wind. Wind is a natural phenomenon, but it is like the difficulties of human life. First, poet has described the destructive power of the wind, and later on it says that let us make it our friend. Why is he saying so? Let us see in the poem. Wind comes softly, don't break the shutters of the windows. Here poet is talking to wind and he is saying to wind that, "O wind, come softly, come slowly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't break window panes. Don't shatter the papers. Because of wind, strong wind, papers shatter, and don't throw down the books on the shelf. If the books are kept on the shelf, it is blown down, it is thrown down because of the strong wind." So poet is saying wind that you come slowly so that the papers should not be scattered and the windows should not be broken. Look what you did, he is saying, and showing to the wind that you look, what have you done? You threw all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. Because of you, my books has been torn, and because of you, rain has also come. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Those who are weak, you are making fun of them. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters. Here crumbling means weak. Weak houses, weak doors, weak rafters. Rafters means sloping support of the roof. Those are called rafters. And crumbling wood, weak bodies, weak lives, and weak hearts. You are troubling to the weak people and weak things. The wind god winnows and crushes them all. As the wind is used to winnow the grain is separated from the chaff. But here this wind is so destructive that it is winnowing all the weak things like weak houses, weak doors, and because of it our houses are also damaged. But later on in the same poem, the poet is saying, he won't do what you tell him. What you tell to the wind, it won't do, it will not do. So come, let us build strong homes. Poet is saying to people that you make yourself strong. Don't think that wind will obey you. Whatever you will say to wind, it will not do. So you have to make yourself strong. Let us join the doors firmly. Practice to firm the body. Make your body strong. Make the heart steadfast. It should be firm. Steadfast means firm, strong. Your heart should be strong so that the wind will be friends with us. Because wind does not harm any strong thing. It harms only the weak things. The wind blows out weak fires. Poet has given here example that it blows out weak fires. अगर आग कमज़ोर रहती है तो उसको ये बुझा देती है. He makes strong fires roar and flourish, but when the fire is strong, then it roars. ये और भी ज़्यादा बढ़ने लगता है. His friendship is good. So if the things are destructive, they are not in your favor. So make yourself so much strong that it become in your favor. We praise him every day. We praise, my friend, make this wind your friend. Here wind is referring to the difficulties and problem of the life. Weak people shatter because of the great problems, but stronger people make opportunity. They make it according to their own use, and they take out advantage of that opportunity also. So poet has said here that you make your body and your mind strong, so that any destructive power cannot harm you. Thank you.